Good morning. Our topic for today is about rapid composting methods by Institute of Biological Sciences. From on-farm composting methods by Food and Agriculture Organization FEO 2003. The IBS or Institute of Biological Sciences rapid composting method is also an example of rapid composting method with the additional use of compost fungus activator or CFA materials Trichoderma harshanum or CFA substrate rice straw, weeds, grasses, ipil-ipil leaves, legumes, or pwede rin ang kakawati, chicken manure or cow manure, compost bin or bimbo poles with holes, plastic sheet or sack. Procedure number 1, collect raw materials for compost. Number 2, reduce the size of its plant materials by using a shredder or by manual chopping. Number 3, mix carbonaceous and nitrogenous substrate at a ratio of 4:1. Some possible combination are number 3 parts rice straw to 1 part ipil-ipil. 1 part rice straw to 1 part chicken manure. 4 parts grasses to 1 part legumes to 1 part manure. Number 4, file the substrate loosely in a compost bin that is raised 30 centimeter from the ground, or pile the substrate and insert perforated bamboo pole horizontally and vertically. Number 5, scatter the compost fungus activator or CFA onto the substrate during piling. Use 1% or more of the total weight of the substrate for faster decomposition. Mix thoroughly. Number 6, cover with plastic sheet or plastic sack. Number 7, the compost heap will gain heat in 24 to 48 hours. Maintain the temperature at 500 centigrade or higher. Number 8, turn the pile every 6 to 7 days for the first 2 weeks and thereafter once every 2 weeks. Number 9, the compost will be ready for harvest in 21 to 45 days. The compost should have an earthy smell, not a foul odor. Number 10, the raw material should be unrecognizable and broken down to humus. Number 11, harvest the compost and let it dry under the sun for 2 days. Number 12, place in sack and store in a shaded area. Sheila. Shalom.